More than 4,000 years ago, in the heart of ancient Egypt, humans created one of the greatest engineering achievements in history. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built without electricity, steel machines, or modern tools. Yet even today, scientists and engineers continue to study it in awe. This is not just a tomb. It is a masterpiece of ancient science. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the four cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. The margin of error is so small that modern GPS technology struggles to match it. Such accuracy proves that ancient Egyptians possessed advanced knowledge of astronomy, geometry, and observation of the stars. Each stone block used in the pyramid weighs between 2 and 80 tons. Transporting and lifting these massive stones required intelligent use of physics. Archaeological evidence shows that Egyptians used ramps, wooden sleds, water to reduce friction, and counterweight systems. What seems impossible today was achieved through careful planning and scientific understanding. The pyramid's proportions contain advanced mathematical relationships. Many researchers have identified the presence of pi and the golden ratio in its dimensions. Some measurements even relate closely to the size of the Earth itself. This suggests that ancient builders had a deep understanding of mathematics long before modern science. While traditionally considered royal tombs, some scientists believe the pyramids had additional purposes. Internal chambers show unique acoustic properties, and underground structures may have interacted with water and energy. These ideas suggest that the pyramids could have functioned as complex scientific structures, not merely graves. The Great Pyramid reminds us that ancient civilizations were not primitive. They were intelligent, innovative, and scientifically advanced. Perhaps the future of science lies in rediscovering the forgotten knowledge of the past.